Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to the next Femitech video tutorial. Now, these screws, they are must screw for any persons who own a motor vehicle. This tire right there, I would have already plugged it. Realize that it is actually slow leaking, so I'm actually purchased these screws online. Actually come in this container. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver and definitely open the container. Right, so this is the screw. Think about quarter-inch in terms of size. So I'm gonna use one to plug this hole. It was actually leaking. Actually just started screwing it into the tire and it already stopped leak. So definitely I know that it actually worked. So again, I think I get it on Temu. This is also on Amazon. So in the description section of the video, we'll be definitely giving you the exact name for it for those persons who want to search for it. So once again, guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Of course, leave your comments in the comment section of the video and share the video. So once again, guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.